Hi everybody, welcome back to Random Recess. We're so excited because we're back at Bellagio.
That's right, we told you we were coming back, and we're back. We're here to get a drink at the Petrossian before we have dinner at Noodles tonight. So we're looking forward to it. We're thirsty, we're a little hungry, so let's see what we can get. We're at our favorite hotel, one of our favorite hotels, so lots to see and do here.
Alright, we made it to the Protrosion. It's one of our favorite bars. We highlighted this in our Big Bellagio update video, so if you haven't already, definitely check out that video. We'll include the link at the end. But the Protrosion Bar, which is the lobby bar here at the Bellagio, is one of our favorites. We did not get our table, but we are eyeing it. And if it becomes free, we're getting it. Okay, but we also have a reservation at Noodles, which is also one of our favorite restaurants. And yeah, so it's gonna be a great night. We're with friends. We're gonna enjoy some drinks, and yeah, hopefully we'll get our table.
Like, it does feel really upscale in here. There's a piano player, but you can also come in just shorts and tennis shoes and a t-shirt like I did today and get a table. So it's an excellent place if you're waiting for dinner like at Mayfair Supper Club or something, to come in until your reservation's ready. It's also a great place to do some people watching, but like Abed said, the table that we normally get is taken, and I don't even think they're appreciating it because they're not even looking out, but that's fine. We're not gonna worry about that too much. We've already ordered our drinks and they're on the way.
Okay, so we just finished up at Protrosion Bar. Even though we didn't get our table, we had a great time. Now, the group went ahead because we're running a little late, but we are heading towards Noodles, which is one of our favorite restaurants here at the Bellagio. All right, I met up with everybody. All right, we are in front of Noodles waiting for our table.
Noodles, we love Noodles.
That's right. If you know, you know.
It's a nice, just sit-down restaurant, and not too pretentious, and they have some fantastic Asian food, and I'm hungry, so
yeah, we're gonna take you with us. You'll see what we order.
Yep.
And yeah, this place is amazing.
These are the vegetable spring rolls, and they are exactly how I love spring rolls, with the like super thin and crispy wrapper. Not like some, I know spring rolls and egg rolls are different, but that's how I like my rolls, is with the like super thin and crispy wrapper, and they're delicious. They are about 1,000 degrees, but let them cool down a little bit, and they are fantastic.
Okay, so we got pork dumplings for the second appetizer. I mean, y'all, look at this. Their dumplings are amazing. The spring roll, which Chris just had, was so good. We had to order like double the orders because they're so good. So here we are, diving in. Oh my god. They're really flavorful. Sometimes you have spring rolls or any sort of dumpling and they don't really taste like anything. There's so much flavor in this. It's just absolutely delicious. And also, comment down below, are you a fried dumpling or steamed? Do you do fried or steamed? For me, it's all about steamed. I feel like the flavor remains intact versus fried.
All right, the last appetizer that we got is Veggie Tempura. I love tempura fried vegetables. These look amazing. Obviously, there's like broccoli, cauliflower, squash, sweet potatoes. The sweet potatoes, pro tip, are the best. But yeah, these look amazing, super crispy, fresh, and delicious. So let's give them a try. The batter is absolutely perfectly fried. Light, crispy, and it's a vegetable, so it's almost like I'm eating a salad. Basically, just living that healthy lifestyle, you know? Get with it. So the mains are here. I ordered Singapore curry vermicelli noodles. They are amazing. It comes with shrimp and some pork. They're delicious, slightly spicy, not too crazy. And Abed got the sweet and sour noodles, or sweet and spicy noodles? Sweet and spicy noodles. With what meat did you get? He got them with beef. So the beef, sweet and spicy noodles. And Abed, how did they taste?
Cooked perfectly. It's actually really not that spicy, so it's very well balanced. It's also not super sweet, so you're not eating like just pure sugar. which sometimes can happen when they're trying to balance like a sweet and spicy. Any sort of sweet and spicy sauce goes one way or the other. This is perfectly balanced. Noodles cook perfectly, and the beef is just so tender. All right, we finished up at Noodles, and now we're headed for a little walk. We had a lot of carbs. The bed needs to walk because, again, lots of carbs tonight. You saw the footage.
All the carbs, but they were so good. Oh my God, Noodles.
Exactly.
Now I remember why I love that place so much. It is delicious.
So now we're headed back to the conservatory. We're going to walk around, see it at night. It does look a little different. They usually have lights on, different music. So
Yeah.
we're going to walk off some of these carbs.
Walk it off, walk it off.
Got some footage here at the Bellagio Conservatory. As you can see, there are so many people here. It gets super crowded at night. The conservatory is open 24/7. So unless they're turning it over for a different theme, for a different season. So I highly recommend coming early in the day or then later at night if you want to see it all lit up, because then you don't have to deal with the crowds because it gets really busy. It's a very popular spot. So keep that in mind if you're coming out. 2, 3, 4 in the morning. Let's say you're walking back to the monorail, your room, stop by, get your pictures, and then no one will be here. All right, y'all, that does it for us here at the Bellagio. Thank you so much for watching. We've had a great experience, great dinner, great drinks.
Yeah, we are so full, ready to go to bed. But we always love coming to the Bellagio, and thanks for coming along. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Make sure to subscribe. That helps us out a lot. And until next time, we'll see you guys on the next recess.